Junior cleaning. If you can look now, go and look the FCT and see everywhere is messed up. We have done this job since 2024, 23, 24. Nothing has been paid. We have met with K on several notes, but he just be adamant about it. It's not paying anybody. And other foreign companies have been paid. We see them all, every time. Why our own is different? The Indigenous Contractors. What have we done?
Are you sure the job is done to the satisfactory?
Satisfactory, yes. Certificate collected. If I can bring an evidence to you right inside my car. Right now, if you want to see it. Job completed, certificate collected, and no money is not paid. And most of the jobs we did are we can use it for his how many days, 100 days in the office for Mr. President. But why is not paying us? We can't tell. We have written several letters to the Senate.
And have you seen UK?
We have met with him. He's not even because the first time we met him, he refused audience. He don't want us to see. We have written several letters. And we don't know whether the letter is not getting to him.
It's getting to him.
And even most of the feedback we are getting from him shows that yes, these letters get to his table. Why is it so weak? The protest while we are getting alert. That is our own.
If you don't have access to reach her again tomorrow,
we must have access. This is our national assembly. We are Nigeria. It's a people's parliament.
This is only 1/3 of us. There's
some are different gates.
You understand me? There are so many of us at the gates there.
Which state have you done your job?
I did my job in Bayelsa. I did my job in Abakaliki, Ebonyi State, and so many of us. I even have a present ongoing job that is going on.
So why are you continuing such job when you don't have finances?
Well, I have invested almost 80% of my money on that one. I need to complete it and get certificate. Without certificate,
you not tell you without because you didn't complete your job, you will not be paid. Yes.
Let's stop saying that.
What is wrong? What is wrong with your problem? What is the problem? What is the problem? We must express our feelings. What do you mean by that? No, we must know.
My name is Kenneth Wosu. All indigenous contractors. I'm an escort of our members. You see, we are here today because since 2024 and subsequent years, the government refused to pay us our money. Many of us have invested our money, our life-earned money in this government, drilling of borehole, building of schools, road, and so many other things. And of which this project we have done, they have been enjoying it. Most of the senators, the House of Rep members, they have taken this thing to their constituencies, and they are commissioning it. They have started using it. From that 2024 till today, they refuse to pay us. That is why we are here. That is why we came to this ground to protest for the federal government. We are calling on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to pay us our money, because many of our contractors, even today, 3 of us left, went to the ancestors. Because of what? Because of non-payment. And again, they are not even making move to pay us.
When you say they went or they left,
they left. They are dead.
They went home?
No, they are dead.
Okay.
Out of hypertension. Many of us here, we borrowed money from banks and individuals. They have seized our property. Look at us here. We are not touts. We are all millionaires. But today we cannot boast of anything. Because of what? We have worked, and the government of this President Tinubu refused to pay us.
There are numbers of persons working under us.
Most of our workers are here. We cannot pay them. Even at home now, our wives and children are no longer respecting us because we cannot more provide for them. So all we are asking the federal government to pay us our money and not in short.
Urgently too.
Today they should pay us our money.
What steps have you taken?
Well, we have taken several steps since over 6 months now. We have met the deputy speaker who dribbled us. He dribbled us. Because since that time we met him, he refused to call us again and he refused to pick our call. He said he wants to mediate. We have met Waledu, the finance minister. Today, tomorrow, we are gathering money. We are not gathering money. Where is the money of Nigeria? They should pay us. They should pay us our money. We have worked for it.
This is not even the first protest.
And we have been protesting. Every time we have been protesting, but this is the first time we come to National Assembly. So that is why we are here today.
You said some senators, is the only senator that gave you a contract?
No, I said some senators and the deputy Senate President and some of the members of National Assembly intervene on this issue, but still we don't have results.
Who gave you the job?
Federal government.
It's federal government. Most of us here work in different ministries.
Federal ministries and agencies.
Most of the work constituency projects
are
that have been commissioned.
They have been commissioned and finished. They've started using it for over 1 year. And there are some even jobs that are ongoing. So we don't have hope. We don't have hope of payment. And it's not like this before. Since this present government, they have been owing us. And we are dying. So what we are saying is that the government should pay us today.
You as a person, how much are they owing you?
Well, for me as a person, I am being owed more than 250 million. As I'm talking to you now.
That is staggering.
As I'm talking to you now.
Big project. And the 120 million as
what is your appeal?
My prayer is that government will pay us today. We don't have any interest. We just let them pay us immediately. That is our prayer.
Because most of the money are run out of.
The protest continues.
The protest continue tomorrow.
We are going to continue this protest.
We will be protesting.
What do you want to say?
In fact, this is renewed hopelessness for contractors. We are suffering. Banks are on our neck. We have bills to pay, and for 10 months, more than 10, 11 months, we have not been paid. And they keep dribbling us. And I think the Minister of Finance, they have been deceiving us. So is the Deputy Senate Speaker. We've gone to them. They keep on telling us, but if they did not pay us, we won't leave the streets. If it's going to take 1 month for us to be paid, we are still going to be on streets.
You have access to National Assembly today.
Yes.
It's not, because you cannot definitely say tomorrow you have access to this place tomorrow. Where will you be doing your government?
We own Nigeria together. Tomorrow we can come here. Tomorrow we can decide to go elsewhere. But we'll be on the streets until they pay us. That is what we are doing. Prof.Mgbeke is who is taking the glory?
Yahoo government! Yahoo government!
Wetin be this government?
Yahoo government!
Wetin be this government?
Yahoo government!
Wetin be this government?
Yahoo government!
Wetin be this Yahoo government?
Yahoo government!
Wetin be this government?
Yahoo government!
Why did you join the protesters?
I joined them. Round up, please.
FCT since 2003, and I was even arrested 2003 or 2023.
2023, I mean 2023.
And in the process of trying to get the minister's attention, I sent a message to him on WhatsApp, trying to let him understand that if he want to investigate his job, he can investigate the job. POs. But the next thing I saw was for him to send IRC guy to the house. As if that is not enough, he was even asked them to bring me to his office. I was in the office. There's nothing this man did not say to me. He insulted me, asked me how did I get his number, why did I send message to me?
It's a public figure.
As if somebody need to send me to him before asking for money payment. After how many years? The school I renovated, we have children in that classroom now. I can't go there to say I want to go and carry the building. And this man is everywhere boasting that he will not pay. Nobody can force him to pay. And we have some people, some old men clapping for him. Instead of them to advise him to look into this matter, investigate this matter. And the police even went as far as investigating my job. They took me around, I took them around to all the places where I work. And they told him that, sir, we have concluded our investigation. This guy actually did his job and people are there. Some of them are even close to his office. IBPIS office in FCT, I renovated the place. We have staff in that place now. And this man will be thinking that it is going to be possible for him to sit down in the office and then he will be telling people all sorts of things that the job no supply of computers. Where are they supplying computer and computers? The schools renovated, they are there. You can go and see it, you can go and verify them and make payment. The report from the IIT guys are there. It's over a year now that they arrested me. Until now, I've not gotten a dime from that payment. We've been on this case in FCT it's over 2 years now that we've been running around. Some of this job was given by the present secretaries and the coordinators right now that they are working with him. The secretary working with Wike now, so they gave one of this job, and they are working with him. Some of them even follow him to flag off or commission, where he will still be even insulting us, asking us which bank will give this kind of people money. You can imagine a leader saying which bank will give this kind of people money, all these suffering people that are suffering. And then we have some elderly men clapping for that kind of. Man, so what do you want? What we want now, because we've not been able to meet him one-on-one. Probably we want to believe that some people are misinforming him. We want him to have one-on-one. We've written so many letters, more than 10 to 20 letters to Wike. No reply, nothing. But what we get is just for him to go and insult us where he's doing flag off and all sorts of things.
Us many times.
He has even tried to gas us so many times. What we want now is our money. If he's confused about the job, if he doesn't know how this place is being run, he should call us. We have to sit down on the table, explain to him. Let him set up a committee. It's not difficult. If you want me to take him to where he works, okay? Police have even investigated my job. So what is the basis of you not paying now, if not for wickedness? How do you owe somebody in this economy now? 2 years. Rent is going up. I've not paid my children's school fees for 2 years now. How do you expect people to cope? And you are collecting salary, you are paying your own children's school fees?
And he's giving foreigner jobs. And he paid them in advance.
Injustice.
This is not
Schooling
good.
in abroad.
This is not good.
Not just that.
Hello, madam. I think it's a question from the house.